If you're still answering frequently asked questions manually, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make AI assistant for insurance claim. Now imagine I run an insurance agency and on a daily basis, I get a lot of frequently asked questions. Replying each and every question manually would be a time consuming and hectic task. That's where our new feature AI assistant make a huge difference. Now with the help of AI assistant, it is automatically going to be replied as soon as a new message received on WhatsApp chatbot. If you want to know how to make this AI assistant for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Hello and welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step procedure on how to build WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent specially designed for insurance claim business. This chatbot can handle common customer query, guide new user through onboarding process and assist with various feature and even troubleshoot basic issue automatically. So yes, let's dive in and build this smart support system for your own business. As you can see, I have already created this WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent specially designed for an insurance claim business. First, I'm going to show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here, I will type our initial message which is I need help. As soon as I have entered my initial message, they have replied me with a message which says, I'm here for you. What do you need help with? Just let me know and I will do my best to assist you. And here I'm going to ask a question. What is an insurance claim? And for that, they have answered me with the definition of insurance claim, where a policyholder can request insurance company for compensation. And with this, they have mentioned that if you have any specific question about insurance claim or need assist with something else, feel free to ask. I am here to help. And for that, they have mentioned few steps that I can follow to file a general complaint, like review your policy, gather documents, contact your insurance company, complete the claim form, submit your claim and follow up. After that, I will ask this AI assistant what information do I need to submit a claim. And for that, they have replied me with the information I need to submit like policy number, personal information, detail of the incident, documentation, witness and claim amount. Also here, they have answered every single detail according to the knowledge base that I have provided to my AI assistant. So if you want to make this AI assistant for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the landing page of pabbly.com. Over here, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp and automate marketing, sales and customer support without any manual effort. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here you can share your ideas, ask questions and get latest features and tips for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Now let's move to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free credit every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow. After selecting Pabbly Chatflow, I will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place by using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button which is given over here. Inside this, you can see there are two features, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to know any of these features individually, we have provided a detailed video in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Not only that, we have different features like Inbox, Contact, Team Queue, Template, Broadcast, Flow, AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. Here also, if you want to know any of these features individually, we have also provided a detailed video in the description box. You can check that out. As we are making AI Assistant, I'm going to click on AI Assistant feature and I will be landed on AI Assistant page. Here you can train your AI Assistant with knowledge base, which is going to help you to solve problem and engage with your customer effortlessly. To create a new AI assistant, you need to click on Add AI Assistant, which is given over here, and name your AI assistant. As we are making this AI assistant for insurance claim, I will name it accordingly as AI Assistant for Insurance Claim and click on Add AI Assistant button. And from here, I can set my AI assistant by providing all the following steps like AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling. To start setting up my AI assistant, I need to select instruction type. There are different type of instruction like AI agent, customer support, sales agent, language tutor, coding expert, and many other. You can choose any one of these according to your requirement. I'm going to select AI agent for today. Once I have selected my instruction type, I will receive a few guidelines that explain how AI train and how it is going to work. This instruction type include how AI will respond to the user and solve user query by replying effortlessly and listening to all their need. Now below that, I'm going to set up AI configuration, in which temperature is a key setting, where I'm going to set my temperature as 0.3. In this temperature, 0 means focus and 1 means creative. And as I have set my temperature as 0.3, it will respond focus and slightly creative. Below that, I'm going to select the platform to generate response as OpenAI. And after that, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, which is a cost-effective model. After that, I'm going to provide API key. To generate API key, you need to click on this hyperlink which is present over here. As soon as you will be redirected to the OpenAI API platform, you can click on Create New Secret Key button and name your test key. After providing a meaningful name, you can click on Create Secret Key and your key will be created over here. I'm just going to copy this key and paste my API key over here and connect my AI instruction. As you can see, I got a notification which says OpenAI key saved successfully. Below that, you need to set AI instruction setting, where you need to put customize header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempt, and fallback message, where I'm going to provide a customized fallback message which is going to be replied whenever my AI assistant does not get a perfect response or have an issue with API key. Now as we are done with our AI instruction, let's move to the knowledge source. Here we need to upload a knowledge source, and to create a knowledge source, you need to paste specific information of your company on Google Doc and download this file in a plain text. Now, as soon as your file is downloaded over here, you can just drag and drop and upload your file. As you can see, my file is uploaded successfully. This file will serve as a reference to AI assistant and will use this information to generate accurate response. Now, as we are done setting up our knowledge source, I'm going to move to my next step, which is assistant interface. Here I need to enter header name, which is going to be displayed over here. I have provided my heading name as insurance claim, and below that I need to provide a header display subheading name, which is going to be presented below the header name. Below that, you need to put initial message. You can add only 2 initial message over here, and to add your initial message, you need to type your message and press the enter key. Your message will be added over here. After that, you have a choice to select whether you want to display this label or not. As I don't have any problem, I will enable it. And after that, you need to provide your company footer text and footer link. And last step in this assistant interface, you need to provide user first message that your user is going to put while initiating this AI assistant. Now, as we are done with our assistant interface, I will move to my next step, which is styling. This is going to be a customized visual appearance where you can set theme mode, assistant shape, background color, text color, header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture, which is going to make your assistant much more attractive. For now, I'm going to keep it as it is, and here we are done setting up our AI assistant. And for the last step, don't forget to active your AI assistant and save your AI assistant. And here you can see I got a message which says AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. And with that, we have provided an embedded code which you can paste on your website to add your AI assistant in your website. Now, before testing this AI assistant in real time, we need to know an important step, and for which you need to come with me to the setting feature, and here you can see inbox setting is present over here. I will open this inbox setting in a new tab, and from here you can enable and customize automatic response. Over here you need to scroll down and you can see AI auto reply setting, where you can enable or disable this auto reply. To disable all new chats, you need to select the disable option and paste disable code over here. After that you need to click disable AI reply and your AI auto reply disable for new chat only. As we want to test this AI assistant in real time, I'm going to enable it and my chat is enabled successfully. Below that I can select the contact to whom I want to assign this chat, and beside that I have to select the AI assistant that I want to assign. After selecting each and every information, I will going to save this information and my inbox setting is saved successfully. Now it is ready to run in real time. For that, again I will open my WhatsApp web and clean my previous conversation. Again, I'm going to enter my initial message, which is I need help, and here they have replied me, I'm here to help. What do you need assist with? Just let me know and I will do my best to assist you. And over here I'm going to ask a question, what is the claim settlement time for health insurance? And with that they have answered me settlement timeline. Not only that, they have answered me each and every detail according to the knowledge source that we have provided to our AI assistant. So yes, as you can see, this AI assistant is working successfully. If you like this video or have any doubt, you can tell us in the comment section below. Not only this, you can create many more chat flow using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chat flow using Pabbly Chatflow. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.